Hi, my name is Jim LePage. I'm the creator of ImageRay Smart PSD. It's very fast, easy to use, and I think you'll like it. So I have the ImageRay PSD open here. I'm going to just open up the Smart object at the top of the Layers palette. Here's where we're going to place the imagery or create the imagery. So to start with, let's place this image. And once it's in there, all you need to do is save it. And this is actually an abstract painting I did that's available as part of an abstract paint bundle. You can find that on my site at jimlepage.com/shop or on my Creative Market shop. I also include this and a couple others in with the ImageRay files that you can play around with. So once that's saved out, let's go back over here. These four green layer groups here are where we see the results. So our horizontal, vertical, forward slash, and backslash. So pretty cool results there. So let's turn those back off, delete that, and we'll try a photo this time. So bring that in there. I'm going to scale it up a little bit to make sure it covers all that green background. Save this out. And really you can use any kind of photo, imagery, black and white, it doesn't matter. Just play around with different things to get different results. ImageRay can pretty much handle anything. So that's saved out. We'll jump back over here and see the results. Pretty cool. So let's turn those off, and I want to show you one more way you can use this. And that's creating some custom artwork. So what I'm going to do is just, with the default Photoshop brush and a color, just start filling this canvas here. And this looks ugly, but I think the cool thing about it is if you're working on doing some branding work or identity work with the client, you can just bring in the color palette for that client, their logo, any kind of branding imagery they already have. Just bring that in here, mash them up, and your final ImageRay will have that same vibe and feel for that client. You can use it on all sorts of different things, different collateral, website banners, things like that. So lots of potential with this. So this is looking pretty hideous. And the one thing I'm going to do here is just add a background color to make sure we don't have any of that green showing through. So what I'll do now is save this, and here's where the beauty of ImageRay shines through. It can take something looking this hideous, and once it's kind of run through the filters, it can look like this. So pretty cool. And you can easily go back. You could adjust this. I could add more, remove stuff. So you can go back and forth till you get what you want. You can also jump in here in these smart objects and adjust the angle of the rays in addition to some other settings too. So everything ends up being live, so you can change settings on those. So that's ImageRay and the Smart PSD. Again, my name is Jim LePage. Pick this up at jimlepage.com/shop or my Creative Market shop. Thank you for watching.